Yo, Nabas checking in. It's BGP aka Big Poe on the mic.
It's Bladimus P.
It's the Novice Max Off remix. Max off, fucking max off. Max off, fucking max off. Ayy, need to blow my fucking max off. Ayy, man, I've been painting pictures with my true colors. Ayy, so I'ma need to blow my fucking max off. Max off, fucking max off. Man, I think I need more action, ayy. So I'ma need to blow my fucking max off, fucking max off, ayy. Man, I'm tired of living with this guys. It's time that I blow it, so I'ma blow this fucking max off, fucking max off. Man, I'm so sick of this provincial life. Cause he got me chained up with lies. I mean, I've been fitting on somebody's ring the whole time. Can't you see? The only thing glowing is the obesity. But no more, hear the screams, it's straight from the core. I'ma let it encore through, stick it in your engram. Yeah, this ain't no text in the envelope. Ain't nothing like your stories on Instagram. But the truth that I finally gave up, been a lap rap, woo. Man, I'm yelling, you gotta be more liberal to be real. Cause you about to lick some sore victories like the filters from the fucking sarcastic Snapchat. Take it as a bitch slap. Man, I don't really mean to brag, but I'm feeling like the federal city syllables from my comrades for combat. Man, I come fast for dribbling the art they don't bounce. But I think all I need is just an ounce of your love to fill my thirst, fill my urges, let me burst to break these curves and never ever doubt me. Cause I'm affiliated with confidence, with a strong conscience. And I don't give a fuck if you got me wrong, Cause I ain't the type that cares about the hype, but I'm the right type that cares about hip hop. It's my life, and I'm finally fucking off, blowing my fucking max off, bitch. Max off, fucking max off, ayy. Need to blow my fucking max off, ayy. Man, I've been painting pictures with my true colors, ayy. So I'ma need to blow my fucking max off,
Seems like dreams are real as we give a bit of a soul. I'm not a fiend, but why do I feel like they had its toe? Probably money's the reason they beg to die a blow. Rather go to church, sing the hymn in higher note. It's an every track I recorded, I spent a lot of money hoping if I could make a chance to my novice or be a testimony. But fuck, I'm from around a place where they blend for rapping in English, saying that's from the west, but thirsty for the beaches, exposing Camelot West. I'm still grinding, despite the fact that I live in a place where I see the possibilities of what I'm dreaming. I'm sick and tired of you people with your brainless mind. Ain't no God that can be testimony for people of your kind. Please stop hearing this record and listen to it. This is the pain of the sleepless night. Promise I'ma blow it. If y'all hate it, throw the hate, cause I won't throw it back. It ain't no story, or is it revolutionary? Fuck am I talking about? Am I gonna rap the people or not? I keep shooting my people and haters in blocks. Live and see with dog around the clock. Fuck, I won't be like the daddy who had never seen a son. By the time I was in the baby, yet to be a son. But never my daddy was superior to damn people. So like father, like son, eh boy, I'ma do it triple. But then of course, as the Lord hit my daddy's face, feel me, I had to wear the shoe without a fucking lace. Nobody knows me, ain't nobody feeling what I'm saying. So like my idols, I decided to take my mask off. Mask off, yeah, I took my mask off. Now everybody can see me, yes, I took my mask off. Mask off, now but take that mask off. I bet you better than me, so take that fucking mask off. The tainted people with them fucking mask off. Mask off, now but take that mask off. Bright light ain't bright when you close eyes. Fuck. Now I can make your brain ejaculate. I can make your brain ejaculate.